Alright, we're just walking into the library now. Never been here before, this is my first impression. It's bright and sunny. Wow. Yeah, I'm taking pictures. Is this a library? Where are the books? Oh, there's a student walking in with books. Thank you. Where do I get help? I don't know. I'm brave, I'll explore. Oh, this must be the right place to find books and get help. Maybe not. No, I don't see any sign. Oh, that would be because the sign's facing the wrong way. Oh, there we go. Oh.
Are you talking to your camera?
Can I get some help?
Sure, you can have help.
Thank you.
What would you like to know?
Bye.
What is this? Oh, you're taking a movie.
Alright, we're walking towards one of the locations on the 4th floor that has pipes, plumbing, and since that's a major ingredient of coffee, it's very important. Below us is, my feet, Ashdown Hall. We were actually over top of Ashdown Hall. There's a crawl space, so we can also put a drain here. This is a good location. The people in these offices would be very annoyed with the sound of steaming milk. And we would need to get rid of all of this stuff so you could see this location when you enter the library. Alright, that was location 1. Everybody's looking at me because they think I'm talking to myself. The other location of plumbing is through this door, for staff work. First I'm going to show you, oh pardon me, the door's locked. Okay, I've got to stop the movie and start it again.